Hey guys, I know I've been gone for so long. Today I'm gonna be doing baked pork chops. So first I'm gonna be using adobo. I don't measure. I just put a little bit on both sides. That also onion powder. Some garlic. Some black pepper. Also parsley. And sazon. So after I put the seasoning on top, I'm gonna flip all the pork chops and then season the other side. My pork chop seasoned really good, so now I'm going to cut up my veggies, which I'm gonna have green bell peppers and onions. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my onion and bell pepper, and I'm going to put them on top. Here we go. I cut up my bell peppers, just the long strips, and then my onions, and I'm going to place them on my pork chops. I'm going to put them in my pork chops. Okay. Also, I'm gonna add like 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add my water in here. You guys, like I always tell you guys can make this your own. You could put mushrooms, carrots, all kind of stuff in here. Whatever veggies you want to put in here, you can put in here. So you see how it has like a little juice? That's just so the pork chops don't get dry, and you know, you don't want the pork chops to be dry. You want them to be juicy. So they're going to be nice and juicy. I'm going to put the aluminum foil. Now you guys, I'm going to place it in the oven. And I put that at 375 for a good 45 minutes. You do want to come and churn it like within a half hour. Come and churn it and let the other side cook. So I'll be back with that. Okay guys, so it's been cooking for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to uncover it and I'm going to flip everything. Let me see. Oh my god, it smells so amazing, you guys. Whew. Only if you guys could smell it. Oh my gosh. There you guys go. As you can see, it is hot, very hot. It's almost cooked. I've cooked it for 20 minutes, so now I'm gonna pop it back in the oven with the cover on it for another 20 minutes. So altogether 45 minutes and this should be done. Depending on if you have thicker pork chops, you might have to cook them a little bit longer. These are thin, but I also want the juices and everything to be nice and thicker too. So now I'm going to place this back in the oven and then it will be done. But look at how amazing